842 Guerin Creek Way is the perfect home for busy professionals or families with older kids. Luxurious, steps away from all you need, low maintenance, this is the one for you. Welcome to 842 Guerin Creek Way, where you'll enjoy panoramic views of Kamloops' stunning mountains and cityscape. Low maintenance landscaping means you can spend more time relaxing on this gorgeous patio and less time on your yard work. Location is everything, and this home delivers. You're steps away from Thompson Rivers University, making it ideal for professionals or families with students. Grocery stores, dining, and entertainment are all within a short distance, so convenience is built right into your lifestyle. Inside, you'll find a warm and inviting living space with a stone fireplace and oversized windows. The dining area is perfect for hosting, with views that'll leave your guests in awe. This kitchen is a dream for busy professionals and families alike. Spacious, functional, and designed for both cooking and entertaining. The large island is perfect for quick breakfasts or prepping your next dinner party. The primary suite is your private retreat with a spa-like ensuite and those same incredible views. The additional bedrooms, including those in the basement, offer plenty of space for older kids or guests. Need extra space? This home has it. A bright office for your work from home needs, a practical pantry, and a massive 20 by 20 space under the garage. Perfect for a gym, workshop, or extra storage. This tandem garage fits 3 vehicles and still has room for all your tools and toys. The fully equipped suite is perfect for in-laws, older kids, or even as a rental opportunity. Living at 842 Guerin Creek Way means you're part of a vibrant community. Enjoy nearby parks, walking trails, recreational facilities, and for winter enthusiasts, Sun Peaks Resort is just a short drive away. This home is more than just a place to live, it's a lifestyle. Don't wait. Contact me today to book your private showing and make 842 Guerin Creek Way your new address.